When it comes to janitorial services, efficiency and effectiveness are critical in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene standards. One tool that has revolutionized cleaning practices across the janitorial industry is the microfiber cloth. Its ability to clean surfaces with minimal chemical use while capturing dirt, dust, and bacteria makes it an indispensable tool for professional cleaning services. In this post, we will dive deep into the versatility of the microfiber cloth, exploring its many uses, features, and benefits within janitorial services. We'll also touch on how this simple yet powerful tool can improve cleaning efficiency, save costs, and boost the overall quality of the service. What is a microfiber cloth? A microfiber cloth is made up of tiny synthetic fibers, typically a blend of polyester and polyamide, nylon, that are finer than human hair. These fibers are densely packed, which gives the cloth its ability to effectively capture dirt, dust, and even bacteria. What makes microfiber unique is the structure of its fibers, which are split during production. This splitting creates a larger surface area, giving the cloth a high absorbency rate and powerful cleaning capability. The many uses of microfiber cloth in janitorial services. One of the most appealing features of microfiber cloths is their versatility. Whether you're cleaning windows, dusting furniture, or disinfecting surfaces, the microfiber cloth can handle it all. Let's break down some of the most common uses in janitorial services. 1. Dusting and surface cleaning. Microfiber cloths are ideal for dusting because they naturally attract and trap dust particles due to their electrostatic properties. When you run a microfiber cloth over a surface, it generates a static charge that pulls dust into the fibers rather than just pushing it around. This makes microfiber cloths far superior to traditional dusting methods, where particles often become airborne and resettle after a short time. 2. Glass and window cleaning. Using microfiber cloths to clean glass is one of the best ways to achieve streak-free results. The fine fibers of the cloth help absorb water in cleaning solutions, leaving no residue behind. Moreover, these cloths can clean glass surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. Simply dampen the cloth with water and wipe down windows, mirrors, or glass doors for a spotless finish. 3. Spill and stain cleanup. Microfiber cloths are highly absorbent, making them perfect for tackling spills on surfaces such as floors, countertops, or upholstery. Their ability to absorb up to 7 times their weight in water means that a microfiber cloth can clean up spills quickly and efficiently, minimizing downtime and preventing the spread of liquid. For janitorial staff, having this tool on hand is crucial in maintaining cleanliness in high-traffic areas. 4. Eco-friendly. The eco-friendly aspect of microfiber cloths goes beyond reducing the need for cleaning chemicals. Because they are reusable, they help minimize the waste generated from disposable cleaning products. For businesses looking to implement green cleaning practices, microfiber cloths are a step in the right direction. 4. Disinfecting surfaces. Microfiber cloths are highly effective in the disinfection process. Because they can capture a large amount of bacteria and germs within their fibers, they reduce the need for excessive chemical use. For janitorial services operating in environments like hospitals, schools, and office spaces, where sanitation is critical, microfiber cloths offer an eco-friendly way to maintain hygiene without harming the environment or leaving harsh residues. 5. Floor cleaning. Microfiber cloths aren't just used in handheld cleaning, they are often integrated into mops as well. Microfiber mop heads are incredibly effective at cleaning floors, whether wet or dry. When used dry, they capture dust and dirt from the floor. When used wet, they scrub away grime and stains without requiring strong cleaning agents. The benefits of using microfiber cloths in janitorial services. Microfiber cloths have many advantages that make them the preferred choice for professional janitorial services. Here are some of the key benefits. 1. Cost-effective. While microfiber cloths may initially cost more than traditional cloths or paper towels, their durability makes them highly cost-effective in the long run. Microfiber cloths can be washed and reused hundreds of times without losing their cleaning effectiveness. This reduces the need for constantly purchasing disposable cleaning supplies, thus saving money for cleaning businesses over time. 2. Improved cleaning efficiency. The cleaning efficiency of microfiber cloths is unparalleled. Because they can attract and trap particles with just a few swipes, cleaning tasks are completed faster and with less effort. In large commercial buildings, schools, or hospitals where time is of the essence, microfiber cloths help janitorial teams work faster and more efficiently. 3. Reduced chemical use. One of the most significant benefits of microfiber cloths is that they often don't require chemicals to clean effectively. For many surfaces, simply using water is enough, thanks to the material's ability to lift dirt and grime. This not only reduces the need for harsh cleaning agents but also minimizes the environmental impact of janitorial services. 4. Eco-friendly. The eco-friendly aspect of microfiber cloths goes beyond reducing the need for cleaning chemicals. Because they are reusable, they help minimize the waste generated from disposable cleaning products. For businesses looking to implement green cleaning practices, microfiber cloths are a step in the right direction. 5. Increased health and safety. Microfiber cloths contribute to a healthier environment by reducing the amount of dust, allergens, and bacteria present on surfaces. In places like healthcare facilities, schools, and offices, where cleanliness directly impacts the well-being of occupants, microfiber cloths help maintain a safer, healthier space. How to care for your microfiber cloths. To maximize the lifespan and effectiveness of microfiber cloths, proper care and maintenance are essential. Follow these tips to keep them in optimal condition. Wash regularly. Microfiber cloths should be washed frequently to prevent dirt and bacteria buildup. Use mild detergent and avoid fabric softeners, as they can reduce the cloth's effectiveness. Air dry or low heat. High heat can damage the fibers, so it's best to air dry microfiber cloths or use a low heat setting in the dryer. Separate from other fabrics. Avoid washing microfiber cloths with lint-producing fabrics like cotton, as the lint can stick to the microfiber and reduce its cleaning performance. The microfiber cloth is a versatile and powerful tool in the janitorial industry, offering a range of benefits from improved cleaning efficiency to environmental sustainability. Its ability to clean surfaces effectively without harsh chemicals makes it an essential part of any janitorial service, especially in environments where cleanliness and hygiene are paramount. Whether you're dusting, disinfecting, or mopping, microfiber cloths deliver exceptional performance while saving time, money, and resources. By integrating microfiber cloths into your cleaning routine, your janitorial business can improve productivity and achieve better results for your clients. Key takeaways. Microfiber cloths are highly effective for dusting, cleaning glass, spill cleanup, disinfecting surfaces, and floor cleaning. They offer advantages like reducing chemical use, being cost-effective, improving cleaning efficiency, and contributing to a healthier environment. Proper care is essential to maintain their longevity and effectiveness. If you're in the janitorial business and haven't yet integrated microfiber cloths into your cleaning practices, now is the time to do so. Your team will work faster, your clients will see better results, and your business will benefit from increased efficiency. Nova Building Supply is your one-stop shop for top-tier cleaning products, supplies, and equipment across North America. We ship directly to our customers, ensuring a seamless shopping experience. Explore our catalog to enjoy significant savings. Visit our website at www.novabuildingsupply.com and shop our catalog. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Thanks for watching.